Got a P0301 code? That means your engine has a misfire on cylinder 1. If your car is shaking, losing power, or burning more fuel, don't ignore it. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to diagnose and fix it like a pro. A misfire doesn't just affect performance, it can damage your catalytic converter, and that's an expensive repair, so the sooner you fix this, the better. P0301 stands for cylinder 1, misfire detected. That means the air-fuel mixture inside cylinder 1 is not burning properly. This can be caused by ignition problems, fuel delivery issues, or mechanical failure. Start with the basics, the spark plug. Remove the spark plug from cylinder 1 and inspect it. If it's worn out, oil-fouled, or covered in carbon buildup, replace it. A bad spark plug is the most common cause of this code. Next, check the ignition coil. Swap the coil from cylinder 1 with another cylinder. Now restart the engine and scan again. If the misfire moves to another cylinder, the coil is bad. Replace it. If the spark and coil are good, move on to the fuel injector. A clogged or faulty injector won't deliver enough fuel. You can listen for clicking sound or use a scan tool. If needed, clean or replace the injector. Vacuum leaks can also cause a lean condition and misfire. Check all hoses, intake boots, and gaskets around cylinder 1. Any crack or loose connection can be the problem. If everything checks out, do a compression test. Low compression means internal engine damage, like worn valves or piston rings. This is less common, but more serious. Driving with a misfire for too long can destroy your catalytic converter, and that repair can cost thousands. Fix it early and save your engine. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. And comment below which engine code you want me to cover next.